welcome back to drenched GT. So today is a flooding and rainy day. Again, as you can see, a thunderstorm is rising and just a little bit going down. And as you can see, the Stamford school is really flooded by rain drops. Look at that. Cool, right? And as you can see, the other side, of course, there is the alarm. See it there? The alarm that you can't do it. There you go. You can see it clearly. Can't you? Because I'm bad at recording like this. Never mind. I can't find it anymore. Alright guys. A little of trouble around here. We gotcha. Gotcha process. Gotcha. Gotcha. See that? The red blinking thing on the stuff. Alright, now you see it. Sorry guys, I'm shaking my iPad. Alright, you can see those blinking things. Those are alarm, which are quite like, you know. And look at my floor. And the plant. Of course I have a plant. Alright guys. Another plant. Drenched. And look at my floor. Oh my goodness. Alright. Hear the thunder now. So guys, never mind. I'm going to show you my face now. Well, of course. It's like a lightning thunderstorm. Like, you know, last time. Like the gigantic thunderstorm. I don't know what's that called. And gigantic thunderstorm and some snap, and that part you can see it there. When I was recording there, I go here and there's a thunder from on top. Strike down. Alright guys, so how many times, as you see, I'm drenched in the rain one time, and I'm gonna upload another one. That time I got drenched more wet, and my pants got wet more, and as you can see, the weather now is getting big, nicer, and quite nice. And that's so cool, right guys? So yeah, that is quite cool, right? And nope, it's not that cool, because this, hear the sound, hear it? Gonna make my iPad drench? No way. It's not a way, because I got cover. Woo! Cover. I cover. Close it. No. No way. Ah! Never mind. Never mind. So let's continue going. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe. drenched GT. Just one tap on the subscribe button, and that's enough for just one time subscribe, and share this video and ask your parents or your siblings or your cousins to subscribe my channel, and others too, like Matthew Iguna, like others, I don't know what. And I'm also supporting Matthew Iguna's channel and my channel too. He's supporting himself channel and my channel too. There's a T. Alright guys, the next video I am gonna make is IDK. Try to guess. There's no sneak peek. I'm just so sorry about that. So hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you got time, watch the thunderstorm. New thunderstorm. That is impossible. A thunderstorm in a life. Boom! Strike down, and we saw it, and that's an awesome profit. And hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please subscribe David Stroll GT. So guys, hope you enjoyed, and bye. Hope you like my new intro and outro.